If you can imagine that even between two persons, there cannot be exactly the same views of things, perception of things. How can 1 million people, 10 million, 100 million people have the same views? So if you can create a hall big enough for 10 million people and ask them to govern themselves by making some decision, there will be no decision. There will be a lot of noise, people talking all at the same time, and no decisions are made, and no problem can be resolved. So because of that, what happens, of course, is that we conceive the idea of representatives of the people. The people elect their speakers, the people who will voice their views for them. But even then, they came up with the problem of not getting everybody agreeing to whatever it is that they have in mind. Consensus, rule by consensus, is quite impossible.